In an unfortunate incident, a 34-year-old woman killed her own 5-year-old daughter by slitting her throat with the kitchen knife today morning. The woman also tried to take her own life. However, she was saved and currently being treated at Raj Medicity. The unfortunate girl has been identified as Chingtham Malani, daughter of Chingtham Premjit from Chingtham Mayai Laikai under Khongjom Police Station in Thoubal district, and the 34-year-old woman has been identified as Chingtham Ongbi Priyadarshini. Late Melanie currently studied at class KG at IR International School located at Chingtham. According to family members who were present at the scene, the incident occurred today morning when Premjit's sister-in-law ran into their room after she heard a scream, where the sister-in-law found Priyadarshini holding a kitchen knife beside her daughter in the bed. Premjit's brother Ranjan brought the girl to Thoubal District Hospital shortly after the incident. However, the doctor later declared the girl to be dead. The mother, Priyadarshini, was also seen shouting and screaming before collapsing, and later she was also brought to Raj Medicity after she received first aid from Thoubal District Hospital. Khongjom Police Station has registered a case for investigating regarding the incident, and the girl's lifeless body was brought to Jennings Morgue for post-mortem examination.